voice is clear? Is my voice clear? Yes, no? Please write in the chat. मेरा आवाज आ रहा है ठीक से?
Yes, clear.
Yes, okay. So any questions anybody has? Speaker पे आना।
Speak aloud.
Anybody has any questions?
Yeah, anybody can speak. Yeah. So if somebody wants to speak, please unmute yourself and speak. Yeah.
Please unmute yourself and speak, please. कोई कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है।
App is just getting better.
App is getting better. Yes, Mr. Abraham, can you please unmute yourself and speak, please?
Sir, very happy now with the app.
Okay.
It's just out. It seems just totally out of the world.
What are you liking about the app?
I've been using this app for the past since April.
Okay.
What it was then and what it is now, there's a vast change, vast difference, huge difference. Just like a holy grail it has become. I don't know how you managed it.
It's all because of your blessings and people's feedback.
We are too small to bless you, sir.
No, sir. We need blessings, and because of your blessings, so we are all, whatever feedback we get, we try to implement that in the market.
Now, as soon as we see the app, we get so excited to get into the market.
Acha, okay. Anybody else is happy with the app? Prabhakar ji, happy with the app?
Sir, you're very proactive, sir.
Proactive means?
I mean, based on the feedback, these sessions like this help us a lot, sir.
Yes, these sessions are very good, I know.
So to actually tell you,
yes,
the first month, we were unconnected, sir.
Yes.
But then when I was asking your research team, they said you must hold the Nifty strategy till the month end. Then there was a huge drawdown for me.
Right.
But now, since you are very well connected, I don't think that will happen. Your move of connecting really is out of the world, sir.
Yes, we have to be in touch with the customer, sir. The customer is always needs some guidance, help. So if you're not available for the customer, then the customer doesn't feel connected to the product.
But earlier, sir, you didn't plan this.
Yeah, so as feedback comes, we plan, sir, as we like.
Yes, that's
as feedback comes, we plan these things.
No, that is what I'm trying to. No, you are ready to come forward and say, let me do it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Prabhakar ji. Anybody else has any feedback? Anything you want us to improve? Anything you want us to like?
And sir, for the 3-4 months, I've also been using this app. You're making these changes so fast.
No, because because we are very good in technology, we get any feedback, we make it available. So if one person gives a feedback, thousands of people benefit.
Yes, that is.
So we get feedback and we put it immediately. We take customers' feedback very, very seriously.
No, fortunately, you have all the data necessary. You just have to tweak the software.
Yeah, you just have to, so we do it, and whatever we like, we try to make things very simple. We don't want to complicate things.
Yes.
So that is. Who's joining for the first time? Mr. Pavan Poddar, Aparna, Suman. If you can have your videos on, we can see you at least. Can you please unmute yourself? Yes, Mr. Soni.
I'm also joining for the first time.
Are you joining for the first time? Okay, welcome. welcome. So, Aparna ji, who else is there? Aparna is there. Mr. Lalit, Mr. Poddar. Yes, Mr. Poddar. Any feedback? Yes, Mr. Poddar.
Calls this month. Hello.
Yes, please.
Who calls this?
Yes, 2 calls this month. Yes. Yes, please go ahead. What are you saying? Cannot hear, sir. Let's take anybody else. So let's start the journey, friend. Let's start the journey. So there are 136 stocks. Okay.
NSE,
No, 136 there was next. So there are 136 stocks in
137.
137 stocks in future and options. Okay. So let's study the stocks, because here we have to really focus on movement also, because we are doing movement. So obviously AGS becomes very, very important here. So let's study who has the highest AGS.
Percentage wise.
So you always understand that which gives you movement. So if you see HDFC Bank always has the highest AGS, it's very, very high, HDFC Bank, right? So if you see HDFC Bank, it has a very high AGS. Then you have Bajaj Finance, Naukri, okay, Havells, IGL, Reliance. So these are some of the shares which has the highest AGS. So whenever Nifty goes up, these stocks tend to give you a good return, right? So this is one area you have to really focus in all the F&O stocks which has the highest AGS. Okay, so this is very, very important to study. This is very, very important to study the AGS of all the F&O stocks. How can you do it in the app? I'll show you how you can do in the app.
Yes. We need to come to stock screener.
We come to stock screeners.
Yeah. Then we come to alpha generator score, and we can put.
So first select the universe F&O stocks. You can select F&O stocks first. Okay, and then the alpha generator.
Greater than.
You can say hit ratio greater than 50%. We've added the hit ratio. It was not there before. We've added that also. Alpha generator score has been added now in the filter, and you will immediately know how many stocks are there in F&O which is a hit ratio. Right. Yeah. So if you see so many stocks, there are about 19 stocks, which is also the strong buy and buy, you will get it immediately. So in F&O, these are the stocks which is the highest AGS, because in F&O, when you're trading for a month, you have to know when the market goes up, which stocks give you the highest returns. right? So immediately you can do the highest AGS and FNO stocks, and you get the best FNO stocks to trade in. So if you want to select the stocks for buying, then you know which are the best stocks for investment. Okay, you will immediately get. We are also going to put the AGS here right now. So you will be able to calculate the AGS from here also. So immediately good stocks, which stocks beat the market, you will instantly know. Right? So whenever you are doing FNO, these are very important parameters which you can start using immediately for your FNO trading. Who buys FNO stocks for 10-20 days? Who buys FNO stocks? Anybody has bought any FNO stocks? Okay, let's study our strategy. Let's study our strategy for FNO. Which stocks did we give on Friday and why did we give that? In the stock derivative strategy, you get access to both the strategies actually. So in this, we will show you the stocks we had given. So this month on Friday, we released Divi's Lab and Escorts. Okay, this was in one strategy, and the other strategy, which was the stock last month, इसमें लिखा हुआ है. Last month we had given Britannia, Divi's Lab and Muthoot Finance. So Divi's Lab continues to be there in the portfolio, and we have added Escorts this month. Anybody's purchased Escorts already? Anybody's bought? After buying the strategy, have you bought one lot?
Yes, I have. Saleji, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You have bought it, right? So how is it doing? How is it doing? Which one have you bought, Siddharthji?
I've bought Escorts.
You bought Escorts, okay. Okay, so let's study in the other strategy. The other strategy you have bought. We have given 6 stocks here.
Escorts and DVs are common in the six.
Yeah, Escorts and DVs are common. And then you have HCL Tech, Hero MotoCorp, Infi and Wipro. Okay, anybody purchased these stocks? Anybody has bought these stocks? It was given on Friday. And किसी ने खरीदा है stock for this month?
I've bought Escorts and Hero Motor. Escorts and Hero Motor so far.
Escorts and Hero Motor. Okay, any reasons why have you bought Escorts and Hero Motor?
I was generally more bullish on the automobiles.
Not bullish on the auto sector. Okay, anybody else? See, if you don't discuss, then the sessions will not become very good. See, when we give these shares every month, so these shares have a higher probability of performance. So anybody else has bought any profile, or they just bought the strategy and not actually investing in the market?
So, can I speak for a second?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So what happened is I continued with last month's stock. So I continued with Britannia.
Okay.
Britannia and Muthoot. What I did was I usually sell a put, far away put. So that is what I did for both Britannia and Muthoot.
Okay.
But I'm running positive.
You're running positive. Okay.
So,
Actually, that was the reason. Sorry, actually, that is a similar reason I have not bought the other stocks, because I am also continuing with Britannia and Muthoot from the previous month.
Okay. Okay.
I am holding Escorts since October
Oh.
at 11:50. When September quarter sales figure were out, I bought for December FNO.
Okay. So why have you bought, sir? Any reason? Why do you like Escorts?
I have given the reason after the September their sales
Mm-hmm.
were much better than the last year's sale.
Okay, very good, very good.
And
Okay.
already government
Nilesh
policy
ji,
is towards
Hmm.
agriculture, and agriculture is doing too good this year.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Siddharth, you बोलिए.
Nilesh ji, before we move on, I have questions. If you think this will be the right time, I had a question regarding Muthoot Finance.
Okay.
Muthoot Finance, time and again in various sessions, you have mentioned that it is a great stock, and I think I don't remember the AGS offhand, but I think it has a positive AGS. I think more than 50% also.
Hmm.
And so quality stock, it is amongst the best. So, but I'm wondering why, when something like this is such a good stock, why does it not move when the market is moving so dramatically?
So it's a commodity stock. It's a commodity
still
stock.
like, okay.
And answer your question, it's a commodity stock. So Muthoot moves with gold. So why did it fall also? Because gold gave a very sharp correction. So I'll show you the gold chart. Gold chart and Muthoot chart लगा दीजिए. It has a tendency to move with gold in the short run. In the short term phase, please understand there are two types of market. One is a long term, one is a short term. Long term, you'll always make money in Muthoot. But in the short term, when gold gives a very sharp correction, it has a habit. So I'll show you the chart of gold and Muthoot so you'll understand. देखिए यहाँ पर जोर से बीच में गोल्ड गिरा था एक बार 54,000 से लेके 48,000. ये वाला लास्ट से लगा ना, इधर से लगा ना बेटर.
इधर से.
हाँ ये देखिए सेम डेटा ना ऊपर नीचे ठीक कर सेम है.
Exactly.
तो अगर आप देखेंगे जो गोल्ड जोर से गिरा था, ओके, which day was this?
This was November 9th.
9th नवंबर में गोल्ड हैज अ हैबिट, बहुत जोर से डाउन हुआ था नीचे गोल्ड. इट फेल बाय अबाउट 10%. तो उसी समय दैट वाज द टाइम मुथूट आल्सो गिव अ करेक्शन. दिस इज अ शॉर्ट टर्म थिंग. ओके, तो ये थोड़ा सा गोल्ड की चार्ट के हिसाब से मूव करता है. बिकॉज पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि जो शॉर्ट टर्म प्लेयर्स होते हैं ना, वो क्या करते हैं, गोल्ड जब गिरता है तो मुथूट बेच देते हैं, और गोल्ड जब खरीदता है तो शॉर्ट टर्म में गोल्ड खरीद लेते हैं. So there is a tendency to short-term players to play with gold and Muthoot all the time. Okay? But historically अगर आप 5 साल का चार्ट देखेंगे, 5 ईयर का चार्ट दोनों दिखा दो. मैं आपको 5 साल का चार्ट दिखाता हूँ. See the 5-year chart. Same date पे आ गया क्या?
Same.
Okay, so gold कितना बढ़ा है देखिए.
28,000.
28,000 से लेके 56, मतलब 100% बढ़ा है. ठीक है, और ये 187 का 1400 हो गया. इट इज गिवन अ रिटर्न ऑफ 500-600%. So 100% gold movement will give 600% movement in. So basically it outmoves the gold in a very big way. But in the short run, Muthoot will always move with the gold. Please remember करिए.
Okay, okay.
तो ये आपको ये चीज, तो that is why commodity based company always move. But अगर gold थोड़ा भी तेज होगा तो आपको 6 times return देगा.
ओके. और इसमें ये जो MSCI इंडेक्स में ऐड हुआ है उसका भी कुछ इम्पैक्ट आएगा?
नहीं, उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
नहीं. ओके.
It just gives a good brand name. थोड़ा brand हो जाता है. So fund managers और उसको इज्जत देते हैं और कुछ नहीं है. और index fund जब चलती है ना, there are many people who buy index fund. So index fund में उसका benefit मिल जाता है. तो अभी gold, because gold is on a correction, that is why Muthoot is on a correction slightly right now.
Okay.
So gold अगर 10% बढ़ेगा, Muthoot 20% 30% बढ़ जाएगा. और gold अगर 10% गिरेगा तो Muthoot कम गिरेगा. This is the tendency of Muthoot with gold. But it's always going to move with gold. Now always remember this. आप चार्ट में आपको दिखा दिया, उसी से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि why it is moving with gold.
I'm thinking to add one more lot of escort. Should I add?
You can. Let's discuss escorts now. Let's discuss escorts.
Because it has come from 1440 to 1370.
Okay, so we'll discuss escorts.
Huh?
Let's see the fundamentals of escort.
Even this month sales are very good. Today when they have given the figure, since last year's figure, it is more 50% more sales in the month of November.
That's correct.
So I think the December quarter also their sales would be 50%
Yeah,
higher
so
than the last
let's see
year.
the September sales first. Let's see the September sales. Why we are also recommending. September Y&Y sales has grown by 24%, and that is huge. Okay, and if you see the market share go down, what is the market share, investor? They have 55% in material. They basically in cranes, compactors, and forklifts, they have 55% market share, and about 36% market share in tractor segment.
There was press news from the company also. They are increasing the production to meet out the demand.
Yeah, that's true, which can clearly be seen from the sales growth. Okay, now let's study. So company is definitely very good. Company is going through sales growth. That is what we are recommending. Now let's study the chart. Okay, so it is at a very good support. Weekly लगा दे पहले. Let's see the weekly support. So definitely it's at a very good weekly support, which is 1353.
Yes, today I kept at to 1355.
Yeah. So 1353 is a very, very good support in escort, and we can definitely enter the stock.
Okay.
It really looks very, very good. In the last 3 months, already if you see, escorts have all tremendously moved up actually. Monthly chart. Monthly.
Your voice is breaking.
Is my voice clear, Siddharth ji? Siddharth ji, Prabhakar ji,
yes,
is the voice
it's more or less clear. It's more or less clear. थोड़ा सा क्रैक हो रहा है बीच में.
बीच में क्रैक हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ.
अच्छा, अभी क्लियर है?
ऐसे आवाज आ रहा है लेकिन क्रैक हो रहा है थोड़ा.
अच्छा, क्रैक हो रहा है.
Last 15 days, it has not come below 1350 escort.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like also. It looks like a very good 1353 looks like a very strong support to it. So definitely we can buy Escort, definitely. So technically also looks very, very strong and fundamentally it's a very, very good share.
But we are worried because Nifty is every day rising. If it gives some correction, I am expecting some correction in Nifty.
See, that is the correction in Nifty will only come. I'll show you the chart.
Sir, voice is breaking. Voice is breaking. We couldn't understand.
1 second. वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है, वो लॉजिटेक नहीं
अब
है।
ठीक है, अभी ठीक आया।
मालूम नहीं चल रहा है, their voice is breaking for them. फास्ट इंटरनेट दे दिया क्या?
अभी बोलो।
Nifty, let's see the Nifty. Is my voice clear now?
नहीं, ब्रेक है सर।
मालूम नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम, ब्रेक लॉजिटेक नाउ चेंज करो फटाफट, चेंज टू लॉजिटेक 10. Till the time this sign is, please see this sign. जब तक ये sign green में है, don't worry about the market. When this sign goes in red, then only worry. नहीं तो worry मत करिए, नहीं तो पूरा तेजी मिस कर जाएंगे.
मगर it can come to red in a single day.
It can go in red, but then we have trained people. Red में आने के बाद next day वापस green आ जाता है. तो one day don't see, next day you have to see the morning market.
मगर last 1 month it has risen by 15% historical.
So usually the last stage ऐसी बाजार राइज करता है. So 3 महीना 4 महीना लास्ट स्टेज में हर महीना 10% बाजार राइज कर सकता है. That happens in the last phase of the market.
सर अभी निफ्टी के साथ अभी आई थिंक लास्ट वीक में या वीक बिफोर ही हुआ था. वन डे इट वाज लाइक मेजरली माइनस.
That is only for that is only for shifting of the from November to December.
Okay.
वो एक दिन माइनस हुआ लेकिन फिर एक दिन प्लस हो गया. That was just shifting from November to December clearing. We have trained people कि जब निफ्टी आता है there are certain factors. So if you really want to learn Nifty, please come on Friday. We will teach you that. Okay, कि how to develop the sell call from Nifty. So अगर आपको ये चीज सीख ली है आप, so if you are in derivative, you should have this product also with you because ये दोनों derivative product it goes hand in hand. अगर आपको निफ्टी का नॉलेज नहीं होगा तो डेरिवेटिव में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा. Then what you can do is you can take the delivery of the share after a month, so you don't need to worry if you have the funds available. Okay. So any other share you want to check? Let's see Hero MotoCorp. What is the September results? So Scotch look very good to us. Let's see Hero MotoCorp.
Yes.
So Hero MotoCorp September results. Okay, so the September results, they've also shown a growth of 23%. So that's a huge growth. That means automobiles is quite back. People are again buying bicycles. And no, so things are quite good for Hero MotoCorp. They're back as a company. So we have given this group very good sales growth. Okay, so I want to share the top companies which has the highest sales growth. I'm just changing the mic. मेरा आवाज अभी भी गड़बड़ है ना? तो I'm changing. Please change. I'm changing the mic. Please change the mic. Yeah. Yeah, now is the voice clear?
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's continue, friends. Can anybody speak, please, to check
Yeah, clear, sir. Yeah, clear.
Yes.
that we
Yes,
have
it's good now.
Yeah, voice is clear.
Clear.
Okay, thank you. So basically, what we were discussing was that Escorts is definitely good. We discussed Muthoot. Hirocop, Metrocop we have given this month. It has a sales growth. Now I'll show you the top sales growth of September and future stocks, where the prices can really drastically increase. From the Excel, let's take out all the top shares which has the highest sales growth. Quarterly, yeah, September quarter.
Yes.
Okay, so if you see there is the PNB stock, obviously if you see the
PSU done.
नहीं पूरा शुरू से देखा ना उसका क्या है उसका EGS नहीं दिख रहा
अच्छा.
नहीं हिस्टोरिक भी दिखाना था मैं तो Okay, so let's study each stock which is given.
नहीं अभी नहीं आया. अभी ठीक है.
So if you see 57%, marking देखिए 57% PNB में sales growth हुआ है, but historically it has not grown. But in the September quarter, PNB is really grown. Okay, so this is another strategy which you can deploy. So let's study but the AGS is very bad, QBS is very bad. If you check the AGS and QBS, also show the QBS figures. It is very, very bad. Okay, so let's check the chart of PNB. So from the sales growth, you can check that which companies will do well in the next 3 months. So this is another way of selecting the top stocks. So even if the sales growth is very good in September quarter, but you have to check the history. If you check the history, it is not good. Let's see the price movement. I'm saying
November.
So 29th October से मोटा मोटी ये 26 रुपए का 34 रुपया हुआ है PNB है ना?
PNB.
Okay, so probably I will not be interested. I don't want to buy stock which has bad QBS. Okay, so let's come out now. Let's now come into QBS which is greater than 15 and greater. And AGS also good. So let's study only good stocks, which has the highest sales in the quarter. So Max Financial Services, Max Financial Services, history is also very good. Decent AGS, and it has grown by 50%. Okay, so let's study what happened to Max Financial Services. Basically, what you do when you want to select stocks, you should select high QBS, AGS, and then study the current quarter to study which stocks might give you return. If you want to study individual stocks to invest in. So at least we have the September results. So we are discussing there is Max Financial. Daily charting. So it is moved up by in the last few days. This was on 21st October. Since 21st October, it has gone up by about 80 bucks. It's given a return of about 12-13%. You know, so Max Financial Services has moved up. That means they were expecting some positive results, and the stock has moved up. Okay, so let's study another stock. So we can also study from here which stocks have moved up in the last 1 month. We got 1 month quarter for 1 month positive.
One month positive. Yeah. 36 companies.
Okay, so Max Financial 1 month positive. So Max has moved up in 1 month. It has given a return of 10% after the sales growth. Balkrishna Industries also looks very good. Okay, a very fantastic thing. And then it has given a sales growth, very good sales growth, and it has moved up by 23%. HDFC Standard Life, great stock, very good stock. It has moved up by 10%. SBI Life Insurance, then Escorts and DVs we have already given you. Then you have SRF in the highest sales. PFSP has avoid Munappuram or Muthoot, either buy one of them. Okay, so this is another way of finding the stocks that, you know, the QBS is good, AGS is good, and great movement in the last 1 month and great sales. So these stocks might give you good returns in the future options also. If you hold it for a month, 2-3 months, these stocks will give you good returns. So those are 4-5 stocks which is come. Yes, please.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
So my question, looking at this chart, what comes to my mind is, if you will, for learning purpose, what made you choose Escorts and DVs as over, let's say, Max Financial, which is coming up number 1 on this list in terms of growth?
Okay. So let's go to the strategy. Let's go to the strategy. So these strategies are tested for 5 years. So this is the strategy we are using it to decide Escorts and DVs every month. So basically what we decide is Y and Y sales growth, Y and Y EPS growth, okay, ROE. So on this basis, you know, the stocks are decided actually.
Okay.
Okay, so basically
are you also considering?
Yeah.
Are you also taking the charts into consideration when?
Yeah, we are
these strategies.
9-month positive and 12-month positive. This is we have tested for 5 years, and there is a very good return. So we don't use human emotion. It is tested for 5 years where all emotions are captured. So that is why we invest in this strategy. So automatically it catches those good stocks automatically. Okay, so this is the strategy. I've already given you the stocks. Now some people want that, is there other ways? I would definitely recommend that whatever stocks I have given you, you invest in those only. Whatever stocks I have given those, you invest in those only. Okay, the other strategy I will show you, the other strategy in which there are 6 stocks. Friends, I highly recommend that you should buy the Nifty strategy because Nifty and derivatives goes always together. It's not to only increase the sales, but to protect you, and so that you have greater understanding of Nifty and stock derivatives together.
शैलेश जी, actually मैंने initially Nifty strategy लिया था, and then I moved out because I don't find so much comfort in like the options trading. more
you because when you're buying derivatives, Nifty knowledge is very, very important, so that you can have to put a stop loss sometimes, because when we give a call in, when we give a sell call in Nifty, so basically when we do stock derivatives, you don't give any sell call. It holds for a month. So when we give a sell call in Nifty, then you know that the market may go down, you may book profits. You may choose to book profits. Okay, or we can be, because Nifty we give a sell call also. So that will give you greater advantage.
So over there you give straight out future sell also on the Nifty, or is it?
Yeah, we do that also.
Okay, I thought that it was only options or hedged.
That is on daily basis?
No, only once a month, once or twice a month. We don't do any intraday or daily basis, because that is too much for an investor. You should believe in your strategy and you should give it for 10-15 days. We are not an intraday player. We don't give stocks for 2 or 3 days. And I don't think so. You need that intraday or 1 or 2 day stocks, right, Mr. Soni? You want for 10-15 days, correct?
No, but actually for Nifty.
Nifty also we give it for 10-15 days.
Okay.
We don't trade Nifty on a daily basis. Okay, इसका strategy दिखा दें. I'll show you strategy. So this is the strategy which we are using. Okay. So 1 month positive, 9 month rank. We are using a very different strategy for this. So there are 2 strategies we have made, and we are using it for Nifty derivatives and for stock derivatives, and giving those stocks. And these strategies have been tested for 5 years. And also teaching you that if you want to do for other stocks, what are the other strategies you can implement. So the third strategy is you see the good FGS, QBS, and see the highest sales and invest. So let's study that.
15,000 का काम रहता है क्या एक दिन का काम?
तो वैसे डायरेक्ट म्यूट कर दो.
Very good.
Ask questions. If you don't ask questions, it will be difficult to answer. If you don't ask questions. Okay, let's continue with the stocks. Okay, so we had done this, the top companies which is having sales growth. Where is the sales growth? Quarterly sales growth. So we have converted this actually, which is the company which is giving the highest sales growth. Now let's come to September profit growth. Which are the companies giving September profit growth? So this is the third strategy. One is the calls we are giving, and this is strategies which you can implement also. This strategy, what I'm telling you now, we are testing it on this QBS, and then we give you the results. So SBI Life Insurance has given a 131% growth. Escorts has given 103% growth. That is why Escort looks very, very good. Then there is Havells, PFC Award, and there is Divi's Lab. So that is why these 2 stocks have been chosen, Escorts and Divi's Lab. Okay, for next month performance also, Divi's Lab, Escorts, and then you have SBI Life Insurance, then you have Cholamandalam. Max Financial is also doing very well. So when you have the sales growth and profit growth, you can buy those stocks. So I'll show you what you can do in the app now. So in the app, let's see how you can study the best stocks. So we study the universe 136, and we take sales growth.
Cholamandalam kaun sa hai? There are 2 Cholamandalams. Get confused between the 2.
ये चोलामंडलम फाइनेंस है। Chola Fin and Chola Holding.
One is Cholamandalam Chola Fin, and one is Cholamandalam Financial, but at least ये display name क्या हो? Cholamandalam Financial में नाम है
This is
Chola
the full
Holding.
name. Yeah. Chola Holding full name is Chola
हाँ ये इसीलिए कंफ्यूजिंग है ये.
Okay, and Chola Fin is Cholamandalam. भाव देख लीजिए, किसका भाव दिखा देना. Which one is important?
Yeah. 388 and 541.
तो वहाँ पर हम लोग किसको दिखा रहे हैं, उसका एग्जैक्ट भाव
हम
दिखा
लोग
रहे हैं.
388 दिखाते हैं.
388 जिसका भाव है ना, वो
देखिए.
देखिए. Okay, जिसका भाव 388 रुपये है.
Okay.
Okay, now what we are doing is we are taking the universe FNO,
Sales growth how much?
sales growth 20% and EPS growth 20%. So this is another way to select the stocks. So you got DV's Lab, Escorts. Now you know why it has come, DV's Lab and Escorts. तीन share आया है, and another share is SBI Life Insurance. SBI Life Insurance strategy में आया है क्या?
नहीं.
नहीं.
So basically, this is how you select the stock: 20% sales growth, 20% profit growth. Okay, and then this is why DV's Lab and Escorts have come in the strategy, because that is part of the thing. And then SBI Life Insurance. Put all the whole now.
All done.
All. So only 3 stocks are coming, huh? Which looks very, very good for the next 3 months. Continue with the stock video. You continue. Yeah.
Yes, sir is just coming in a minute. So meanwhile, we can discuss. So this is, so we can also select, I think 10% is not also not bad. If we can take 10% sales growth and we can take 10% EPS growth. The rest of the things are done because we are using only buy and strong buy. So these are the companies which came in. These are the 4 companies. So Balkis Industries, we also got the Balkis Industries, which is looking good in FNO. SBI Life, Escort, Balkis Industry, and DV's Lab. Any other filter if somebody wants to check in FNO?
Can you try 15%?
I think 15% will it will be coming from this only. Because they're on in 10 and 20%, these stocks will not get different stock.
But in the strategy, SBI Life not featuring, and there are 4 other stocks that are featured.
Maybe because there's some like yeah, SBI Life I think listed on. Let me check when it got listed. Because there is an option which says we need to buy stock which has profit price performance for more than one year. I think SBI Life has listed recently.
Okay.
It has 3-year history. So maybe for not 5-year history, so it has been missed. We need to check that. That's why SBI Life was missed. Yeah.
Okay.
Something in strategy only. Debt equity ratio is okay. Pledge the ROE. Let me check SBI Life why it is. So we're checking SBI Life. Why SBI Life? It It has quarterly sales growth. It has quarterly sales growth of 27%. Quarterly EPS growth was 131%. 1 year it was negative. I think we have an option which says the stock must be positive for 1 year.
12-month positive. देख रहे हैं पर 12-month positive है. That is why it is not come.
Otherwise it would have.
So that is why you have to study like that also sometimes, and then you have to get it. That is why it did not come in the strategy. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So these are, you have to study, the parameters are already given. If it is not there, that is why it is not come. Okay. So parameters work beautifully because then you are not getting biased with stocks, and then you have to use your individual understanding from the app also and find some good stocks. Okay, so these are the different ways. So definitely invest in those stocks which we give in the strategy, and definitely we the first Tuesday we will be doing the session. So we'll be discussing each stock every month. What is the result? So everything we'll be discussing every month. Probably next month there will be no results. So it will be probably it might change according to the momentum. So people are not investing. If they bought the strategy, why people are not investing? Can I know, Mr. Radhesham, Rahul Dudani, Renuka Makkad, Aparna Suman? If you don't discuss or don't discuss core, then we will not be able to understand. If you have any particular stock to discuss, please discuss. What are you buying in your stock derivative strategy? And why have you purchased this strategy? Prabhakar ji, आपने कौन सा stock लिया है?
Sir, no, I thought let me learn from you and then start, sir.
Achha, you just learning, okay, not started, okay.
Not started.
Okay, anybody else? Aparna ji, because you have learned, so I'm teaching, I've given the stock, but you have to invest to make money.
Yes, sir, I think I'll start, sir.
Okay, so Siddharth ji has started, Abraham ji is in. Amit Bhojnagar wala, what have you bought? I don't know, are they there? Their cameras are off. Mr. Praveen Chachad, have you bought any stock? Can you unmute yourself? No questions. Renua Makkad, please.
We have some chats.
LSG, I'd like to share my experience.
Yes, please.
over here. Last month, मैंने जो भी stocks जो strategy में थे, उसमें जिसमें भी trade किया हूँ, I would say I've made money over there, 95%. और जो भी trades मैंने out of the strategy किया है, they have like created losses for me.
Salesh bhai, can I ask one question? Is it good strategy to, like, since there will be 3 months, we write out of the money covered calls and collect some more premium along with just we buy one lot and then write also a call little out of the money so that will give us a premium. And at the same time, we can write a little out of the money put also, since it is a buy strategy. So both put and call, we collect premiums.
Okay, so let us write on the Excel. Just put it on Excel. Let us understand your question again for everybody's benefit, Yogesh bhai.
Yes.
I'll put it on screen first.
Yeah.
You can take an example.
Yeah.
Let's take any stock which you want to take. Should we take
Let's
Escort?
Escort, SBI Life, anything you can take.
Okay, let's take Escorts.
Yeah.
Okay, Escorts. Current price.
Yes. So what price you bought, you can write there.
What price did we give Escorts? We gave Escorts at 1403 rupees. No, 1403. Yes, correct.
Yes. So a 1460 or a 1450 call if we write.
So we are bullish. So if you write a call, then you are hedging the strategy. We are buying futures, or we are not buying futures.
We are buying futures. We write a covered call.
Covered call. Okay. So we buy futures and then we sell 1450. We sell covered call. We sell 1450.
Yeah. And we also write a put 1350.
Okay. We also write a put 1350. Okay.
Oh, no, sir.
Sell put 1350. Sell covered got 1450.
I'm not call.
Is there covered call? Sell call. Covered call.
Okay.
Okay, okay, right. This is the strategy. I buy futures.
Okay, okay.
Buy futures.
Yes.
And the son is very good.
Okay. Okay. Very, very close. Yes, yes. So right now I can't tell you. एक ही मिनट myself. मेरा call में I can't tell you what was the premium, but roughly it will be 1350. Put will get you around 20-25 rupees, and both will fetch you 25 rupees.
Okay.
And
25 लिख लेना लिख लूँगा.
Okay. So
Okay.
So what happens is,
So if we are making 50
if it
rupees,
gets-
so
yeah.
where is the loss? If the market closes above 1500 rupees or 1300 rupees, then only we'll make a loss.
No, we don't make a loss in 1500 rupees. It's a covered call. So we have made a profit of 100 rupees.
We made a profit. The premium we made the premium maximum we had is 50 rupees.
Yeah, maximum 50 rupees plus 1400 we bought. So for 50 rupees we got the capital appreciation.
Correct.
So therefore at 1500 we have made 100 rupees profit and we are out of the thing. But at 1500 again we will get an opportunity to write a put for the next month if it happens in this month.
Okay.
Okay. So no, my question is it good since we have 3 months to accentuate our gains, because this way the risk reduces. If it does not move much, then we'll collect this 50 rupees.
Okay.
So this is how the cost comes down. And we've been doing this, but no, I just want to ask you as a question: is it good or we just buy and hold? That is my question.
No, this is a good strategy, but basically if the price moves to the only thing is that the maximum profit is 100 rupees in this strategy. That's it.
For 1 month. Because it is 3 months, we should land up making, if it really moves, 150 to 200 rupees.
Yeah. So if the price moves, the maximum profit made in this strategy is 100 rupees, right?
Which is 6-7% in a month. Yeah.
Yeah. So fantastic. If we can do this, why not?
Okay. Thanks. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we can do this.
Yeah, this is benefit for all of you.
Yeah. So
What will the
You
market?
can write a covered call. Please never a
Shailesh ji,
naked call.
can
Always a covered caller, never a naked call.
So basically, this is the strategy. You can buy futures, you can sell put, and you can sell call. Yogesh bhai, what if the
Yes.
market goes down to? What if the market goes down to $1,200? Then what happens?
Since this was a buy call, we would have reduced the cost of 1400 by at least 50 rupees.
Right, but if we go to 1200, then we will lose 150 rupees, correct?
And otherwise, we would have lost 200 rupees if we had done nothing.
That's correct. But if the market goes down, then we are
Yeah.
going to lose 1,500 rupees in this strategy.
No, but that's what we will be losing lesser than what if we had just one lot bought.
No, but yeah, that I agree. If you buy futures, then we would have lost 200 rupees.
Yes.
And if we buy this, then we will lose 150 rupees.
So now question is, you reduce your risk. Your strategy says buy one lot, right? Correct?
Correct.
So in any case, we would have reduced our loss.
Correct.
That is what I'm saying.
So basically the strategy is that if the market falls, if you buy, this is what Yogesh Bhai is teaching us. Thank you, Yogesh Bhai. So
Yeah.
what Yogesh Bhai is sharing with all of us is that if you do this transaction, the maximum gain in this strategy is 100 rupees only. You cannot make more than 100 rupees in this strategy.
In 1 month, but if we continue for 3 months, it will be more.
Yeah, and if the market falls, so basically you will lose less 50 rupees. Whatever money you lose in the future, you will lose 50 rupees less. If the market goes up, the profit is maximum 100 bucks. So even if the market goes up by 500 rupees, your profit is limited. And your loss, if the market goes down, you reduce your loss by 50 bucks. Am I correct, Yogesh bhai?
Correct. And my other reasoning is, since the results are out, the major movement is over. After that, we take it.
Correct.
Yeah.
So basically all the buy calls we are giving, but the only thing is that if the share goes to 1600, 1700, we miss out the entire teji of the strategy also.
Yeah. But just as a probability wise, if you're doing in more scripts, no,
Right.
once the results are out and all, then a spiked movement looks, probability is less. It can happen anytime.
Right. So
Yeah.
this definitely reduces the risk, friend. This definitely reduces the risk. What is Yogesh Bhai teaching? This definitely reduces the risk of the strategy. Okay. But if the market goes up, then you don't make much. So these are called, if you have options knowledge, then you can definitely do this strategy.
The margin will be the same, or it will be little?
It will reduce. Margin will reduce. Covered call reduces margin.
Okay. By how much percentage, if you can?
I can't tell you exactly. It depends on script to script.
Okay.
Thank you, Yogesh Bhai. I think so it was a good learning.
So Sailesh, on this question, why should we, if we are collecting premium only, then for a sell put, why should we go to 1350 and not sell maybe 1400, because the premium will be higher over there?
Yeah, but we are protecting a downside risk also. So we are writing out slightly out of the money, so that if we get one more lot, you see, at 1300, you will have to buy one more lot of escort. So if we were willing to buy at 1400, they can definitely buy it 5% cheaper and hold as a stock, because it is showing in the strategy as positive. Therefore, okay.
I think this is a very, very good strategy when you want to hedge the strategy and you don't want to take the risk, and you know the chances of making money becomes higher.
Chance of 50 rupees stop loss.
Yeah, it's like a 50 rupees stop loss strategy. So automatically you have said that, you don't want to lose, you reduce your stop loss by 50 rupees. So basically your upside is also closed in the strategy. So when you do any hedging strategy, your upside is also closed and your downside is also reduced to a considerable event. Okay. Another strategy which we do is you can actually sell put of 1350. You can sell put of 1350 because you are playing teji 1350.
Right.
And you can buy put this is a pure hedge strategy where you're playing teji, and you can buy put of 1250. So this is a strategy which we use, which we tested, also works very, very good if you want to do it. So this is a complete option strategy for people who understand options. Because we are playing teji.
So typically,
Sorry.
so sorry, तो जैसे आपने 1350 और 1250 किया है इस केस में, so typically what is the, in terms of percentage, what number should we use for every stock price, every different stock which are trading at different levels? Is it 1350, 1250?
I'll show you the volatility. To open investing.com, I'll show you the volatility.
India VIX.
India VIX नहीं, Scots.
तो लास्ट टाइम आपने बताया था AVR ना?
राइट, वही दिखा रहे हैं ATR. सो डेली का ATR क्या है, वी शुड नो. आपको मालूम है इतना मूव करता है. So ATR is very very important.
We have removed from stock ladder. ADM we have removed. So some
इसको ऐड कर दो. हाँ, ऐड करा दो.
So that.
तो फॉर डेली चार्ट है.
Daily chart.
So अगर आप देखेंगे इसका हाईएस्ट मूवमेंट डेली में ऊपर में हाईएस्ट गया है 57 रुपीज. अगर 57 गया है तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50 रुपया नीचे, 60 रुपया नीचे करना चाहिए. तो इसका क्या क्या स्टेक है उसका, स्कॉट्स का ऑप्शन चेन करो. ऑप्शन चेन ऑफ एस्कॉट्स. सो बेसिकली 14 डे का जो हाईएस्ट होता है वहीं पर राइट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू कैन चेक द वॉलेटिलिटी.
Here is 40 rupees in Scott.
So every 20 rupees you have it, so you can go for the volume wherever. So you can do 1360 or 1340. There is no 1350, so you can sell 1340 and you can buy 12. You can buy 1240. You have to check the volume sometimes, and that is also very very critical. Okay, you can check the volume sometime. That is also very very critical to check the volumes. Okay, so you have to check the volume. Where is the highest volume?
1300 and 1200.
So basically 1300 and 1200 has the highest volume.
Yeah.
Okay, so then sometime you have to do 1300 and 1200, because wherever is the highest volume, you should do that.
Because nobody buys.
So the right strategy would be 1300 and 1200. So Yogesh bhai, then because we have to check the volume, then what would you recommend? It is 1400. Then what would you recommend the strategy? Because we have to check the volumes also. So then we have to do 1500 and 1300. Yogesh bhai, is it correct? Yogesh bhai is not there. So basically then what you do is, because 100 rupees as the highest volume, then you do 1400 and 1300 and 1500 in Yogesh bhai strategy, so that it will be easier to manage. Okay, options is a different ball game. Huh? Options is a very different ball game. It's a very different ball game. Anybody has any questions, friends? It's very important, because if you don't ask questions, then these sessions will not help you much. So there are, I think so, people are not asking questions. I have asked Renuka ji, Radhesham Sahu,
I typed the question. I am holding Asian Paint and Bajaj Finance.
Okay.
Should I hold for another 2 months?
Bajaj Finance you can hold, Asian Paints you can hold, no problem.
I am holding since last 2 months.
No problem. Great stocks. You can hold, Mr. Soni.
Okay.
Mr. Sham Suni, the highest we took in 14 days, it was 57 rupees, the ATR.
Yeah.
Lalit Vivaskar, how to trail profits. So basically, these questions, how to trail profit is also from the volatility. Okay, so sometimes it depends how much profit you are eating, Mr. Lalit Vivaskar. Okay, so how do you trail the profit is from the volatility. You can keep 50%, like 57 is the volatility. So you can keep 30%. When if you buy at the support, then you can keep 30% stop loss. Another place, remember, in the short-term trading, stop loss is compulsory. Again, I'm repeating to everyone, in investing philosophy, there is no stop loss. But when you're doing speculative trading or derivative trading, stop loss is compulsory. Without stop loss, never do derivative trading. Huh? Please remember this, friends. Very, very important.
Sir, your suggestion.
So what should
then
be
is
stop loss for
Escort
Escort now?
So basically, I'll show you the stop loss. Okay, so if you see 1355 is a very, very good support.
Yes.
Right? So when there is a good support, I'll show you from my app only.
But only this month it has not fallen so much. Previous 2 months it was falling by 125 rupees.
So then you have to cut the stop loss. That is why you buy at a support, and then you keep the stop loss ATR at 30% of the ATR. So 20 rupees from 1355. A good stop loss will be 1335. Okay, that will be a good stop loss. So I'll show you. If you go to value stocks, please use this support resistance ladder for short-term trading definitely, friends. So if you go here, there is a support resistance ladder. So if you click the support resistance ladder of Escorts, so if you see the 1353 is a good support. So 1353 and 30% of ATR, which is approximately 20 rupees. So 1333 will be a good stop loss. Put the daily also, if you can put the daily also. So definitely you can put 1324 as a good stop loss right now. 1324 will be a good stop loss for Escorts. If it goes below that, you exit your transaction. So stop loss is very, very important, friends, when you're doing short-term trading. Very, very important. There is nothing in short-term without a stop loss. Okay, very, very important. So knowledge of Nifty, knowledge of stop loss is very, very important because some people don't use stop loss. Okay, then that can become very catastrophic sometimes. So please remember that. So if you don't have the mindset to take delivery, then you please square off the transaction. Is it clear, not clear?
And this D13 in this column, this indicates it is 13 days before?
Yeah, 13 days before, that's correct. D13 means 13 days before. See, we'll show you. 13 days before the price was 1324. So I'm counting for you. See, this is where it came. Okay. So 13 days before, 13 ticks. So please use the support resistance ladder whenever you are trading. If you don't use the support resistance ladder, that will be a big problem. Very, very big problem. Definitely use a support resistance ladder. Any other further questions? I'm waiting for more questions. Right. So did you get the answer? What is the stop loss?
Shailesh, can you repeat once again why we are using B13?
Sorry. Because 1353 is a weekly level. 1353 is actually the stop loss, and you always have to give 20-30 points from a big weekly support.
Okay.
So if you give 30% of the ATR is 57. Okay, so it comes to about 1333. And the next level is 1324. That is, I will use 1324.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how you use the stop loss. Understood? Your stop loss percentage is not, somebody is asking stop loss percentage. Mr. Selvam, please use this as a strategy. There's no percentage. Use the right price for stop loss.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Intelligent way. Don't use percentage, please.
It can be percentage of ATR.
I have said percentage of ATR, but I have put it also a written important figure. So important figure, and then you use the percentage. So use this. How many people are using support resistance ladder? Please use this support resistance ladder for derivative trading. Very, very important.
I'm mostly using the support resistance ladder for the entry points.
Then you can keep the stop loss before 30% below that of the ATR.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, to use the stop loss, very, very important. Amit Bhojnagarwala, if you buy future and also put, then the strategy is hedged. You will not make much money. It's a complete hedge strategy. तो आप फ्यूचर खरीद रहे हैं उसको पुट से hedge कर दे रहे हैं और ज्यादा रुपया बचेगा नहीं उसमें कुछ आप. Even if you become right, you're not going to make any money. Mr. Vikash Kumar, what is the question? Final question, friends. I think so people don't have any questions, so we'll end the session in 5 minutes. So if you have any questions, please tell us. No questions, friends?
Sir, you were mentioning to use support and resistance while buying also.
Yeah, obviously.
But then, do I place an order based on the support? I mean, the price?
Yeah, you can if the market is there,
Okay.
if you don't want to take risk or you want to support gives you a good entry level also. If you buy at a support, weekly support,
Okay.
and the chances of making money becomes higher, definitely.
That is, I place the order and wait for it to.
But sometime you may happen that it may not. So sometimes when we give a call, at least buy one call. So and rest you can put at the support.
Okay.
Okay. So there are some questions. Let's see. How to know good business? Lalitji, you have to do my other program. Today is a derivative session. Fast growing companies, you know from sales, Mr. Lalit. Right? And then Renuma Makkad is asking, what about pharma sector, particular Bicon? Can we discuss some charts? Yes, we can discuss Bicon. Why not? On charts. Fundamentals, whether it will support any buy or not in Bicon. So these are very important question answer sessions. You know, if you don't ask questions, then these sessions will not be very beneficial to you. So let's study. We are on hold right now. The quality business score is low. The alpha generator score is pretty high. See the September sales. Like Mr. So let's see the September sales. September sales are decent, 11%. And the profits are not so good. So basically, you know, short term maybe वो quarterly results से short term में अच्छा return बनता है, which is not showing very well from the fundamental angle. So you should always know the profit and loss because that gives a big fillip to the stock. Okay. So basically on the charts, if you see, what is your question, Renuka ji? Renuka Makkad, what is your question? Chart खोल बेटा. Chart. नहीं, chat. Some people don't have speakers. How to know good management? कौन पूछ रहा है? Lalit Vivaskar ji, these are not questions for today. Today we are doing derivatives. Okay, Mr. Lalit Vivaskar, the best thing is you have to do QBS gives you good management. Huh? A short answer will be any QBS good score above 15 is a good management and a good company. Any QBS greater than 15. Okay, that is a very simple answer. Okay, chat खोल के रखना. Another questions क्या आ रहा है? खोल के रखना. Should we buy at levels? No, I will not recommend to buy Renuka ji. I will not interested because the fundamentals also I will not be very much interested to buy Biocon. Better to buy the shares which I have given you. Focus on them, Renuka ji. You have purchased the strategy, you know the shares. So buy those strategy shares which I have given you. Escorts, DVs, those might give you better returns. Okay, final question before we end for today. Any final questions?
Shailesh, I have a question which is a little off the topic.
Please ask me if I can answer today.
Last time in one of the sessions, we were talking about the sector leaders and investment in sectors. And you were showing how we can check the 1 week, monthly, quarterly, 6 months, this thing to invest in the sector. So I was just wondering if we can add a 15-day interval thing over there, because I was feeling that 1 week may be too short a period, and 1 month sometimes you've already lost the cream on the uptake. So
basically adding, we'll check 15-day, we'll check. It's not a big thing, we'll check.
Okay.
Thank you, Siddharth. Anybody else has any suggestion?
If you have, or if you have any response on that, whether what I'm thinking is that making any sense?
No, we can do it. We can add. You know, if it helps you, we can add. Anybody has any other question? Finally, chat khol le. Let's pull out. Okay, friends. I think so. There are no questions. I hope you enjoyed the session. So keep joining and please asking questions. I've been requesting people again and again. Chandrasekhar Gujjar, Vikash Kumar, Praveen Chachad, Selvam, Aparna Suman. There are no questions. I hope the session was beneficial to you. We have discussed some of the stocks. What are the stocks we have given every month? Why DVs and escorts was given? Why do we think those stocks will do well? We also discussed Mannapuram. We discussed the support and resistance ladder. Right? Please use stop losses. Very, very important when you are doing trading in derivatives. Because if the market falls, if you don't have stop losses, we are not going to give you exit call. You have to exit on your own. So use the support resistance and exit your short positions. Please remember, this is not a fundamental investing call. This is a short-term call. Short-term trading, stop loss is very, very important. In investment, there is no concept of stop loss. But in derivatives, there is a concept of stop loss. Please remember this when you invest. Because due to some news or sentiment, market may correct. So some stocks may correct, you have to exit. Please remember this. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. We are exiting now. Thank you so much.